guys, time check. It's currently 1:37 p.m. and kakatapos lang guys namin kumain ng lunch. So I told my parents that I want to go upstairs and start filming. So earlier today after my class, I had some breakfast and then we went outside to do shovels doon kasi guys, it's a blizzard out there, like super taas guys ng snow. I think it's 40 cm yung snow, which is pretty high. So we did a little bit of shoveling outside and then we went back in to have some lunch, and then now I'm here. So this is what you guys missed early this morning. So I'm actually gonna be doing my makeup ngayon kasi I have to film something for my class. It's like an introductory video that we have to post. So gagawin ko siya ngayon and I want to look presentable. And oh my gosh, it's not focusing. Okay, there we go. Okay, so it is now 3:22 p.m. and kakatapos ko lang guys i-submit yung introduction ko, and that actually took longer than expected. Yeah, kasi dito sa Flipgrid na to, hindi ko siya ma-edit. Ang hirap, like, hindi ko siya ma-edit, okay? So, yun, in short. So, I have to make the video in one going lang, compared to YouTube where I can edit. So, yeah. And I didn't, when I upload my video dun sa Flipgrid na yun, hindi ko guys nakita. So, kakatext lang sa akin ng classmate ko na actually, tinext ko siya na pa-check kung nandoon. Kasi kita ko yung kanya, pero di niya kita yung, baka hindi niya makita yung akin. So, I told her, I asked her a favor kung pwede niya i-check. So, she's gonna be checking it now. But, yeah, after this, I think, after that, magagawa guys muna ako ng class ko for field prep and human development. We'll see kung anong magagawa ko ngayon. Kung hindi ko man magawa yung field prep ko ngayon, pwede ko siyang gawin tomorrow dun sa actual class time namin. Or, kung hindi ko man magawa yung human development ko, pwede ko siyang gawin sa Thursday. So, it's a win-win situation. But, at least one of those two, kailangan ko tapusin yung lecture.
Okay guys, so time check. It's currently 7:28 p.m. And nag-stop guys kami dito sa driveway kasi ang daming yellow. Like, hindi guys kami makaalis-alis. So, ngayon, isa-shovel ng papa yung nandun sa dulo. Like, nandun sa may sidewalk. So, yeah. Para makaalis kami. Like, guys, look. It's like mountains of snow. Look at that. What the heck? Oh, and by the way guys, kung hindi ko pa nasasabi kung saan yung pupunta, we're actually gonna go to DQ because they have a promo hanggang February 20. So, gusto namin itry yung ano nila, promo nila. So, yeah. Itry namin yung puti nila tsaka burger. And we're also going to order some milkshake for Vela. So, yeah. And wala pa guys plow dito sa looban ng mga bahayan. Pero by the looks of it, dun sa may part na yun, dun sa hindi masyadong daggan mga bahay, parang na-shovel naman siya. Parang hindi pa, pero parang nadaanan ng mga sakyan. So like, konti na lang siya. But still, yeah. Hopefully, maayos ang papa. And guys, look at that. Look, inayos ko guys yung window kanina. Kasi marong parang nakatakip dito ng papa. So, kailangan ko. Hindi naman siya umalis. So, yeah.
Date check. Today is Tuesday, January 18th. It's currently 1 o'clock, 1:01 p.m. in the afternoon. My class is about to start, and for my migration and settlement studies, you guys know it's synchronous, so it's a live class. I have my field preparation class, which is asynchronous, So, gagawin ko na lang yung assignment ko doon. And then, if we have any sort of assignment na kailangan namin gawin dito for my fusion settlement studies, then gagawin ko din siya. So, I'm sorry if I'm talking loud kasi nag-start na sila. So, anyway, I'll update you guys later pagka...
I hope you're doing well. Welcome to lecture number 2.
Okay guys, so time check, it's currently 1:38 p.m. and we took a 10-minute break, so we're gonna come back at 1:40, but I got some time to get my lunch. I'm having some rice and butter chicken, and I also got my leftover sparkling water, pink grapefruit. And mom actually brought me some maha kanina, so I'm gonna eat that after. And I also got my water, so I'm set. Yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and eat my lunch while I'm gonna wait for my professor to start the class. I actually have 1 more minute. Oh, wait, it's under 15 minutes. So time check, it is now 3 p.m. and as you can tell, tapos na guys ako maligo. Natapos yung class namin very early today. It was around 3 o'clock ata natapos, where we're supposed to finish at 4. But anyway, tapos na ako for the class and I got to take a shower as well. I feel much more productive and motivated to do my work. So, hi guys, so time check, it's currently 10:34 p.m. It's 10:35 na pala. So, 10:35 p.m. at night. And as you can tell, kung hindi nyo napapansin, parang stuffy nose guys ako. So, ininuman ko na siya ng Tylenol, ininahan ko na. And I'm currently doing my discussion board, and I think pagtapos nito yung discussion board, magpapahinga na ako kasi gusto ko i-rest ang katawan ko. Kahit after nung last clip, yung last clip, I took a nap after that and woke up, had dinner, drank my vitamin C, spent time with my mom and my sister, and we went up. And I'm doing this and noticed that I've been sneezing, so, and I feel like my nose has been itchy, throat a little bit itchy, so I was like, okay, I need to drink Tylenol na, so yun lang yung update. So yeah, I'll update you guys, yeah, I'll update you guys tomorrow. Bye guys. Hi guys, good morning. Today is Wednesday, January 19th, and today I have a research and social service class. Like right now I actually have that class. I have it from 8 to 11 I believe, and then I have later on my helping process, which runs from 12 to 3. So that's my schedule for today. It's gonna be a full day. I'm currently in my social service, research and social service class, and we're actually taking a 15-minute break. Within that 15-minute break, nakapag-bihis ako and I got my coffee and tinapos, and I got 3 reference lists done because we have to do that. So Anyway, I got my coffee. I think I'm gonna be good. Okay guys, time check. It is now 11:54 a.m. and I'm just waiting for my helping process to start. Hi guys, so today is Thursday, January 20th, and it's currently 4:20 p.m. in the afternoon, and super late na guys ako nakapag-update sa inyo kasi kanina nung pagising ko, I went downstairs, freshen up, ate some breakfast, and ang pagtapos ko guys kumain ng breakfast, nilinis ko guys yung washroom kasi super dugyot na. And nilinis ko na rin guys yung kwarto ni Vela. And then, pagtapos nun, I did my ethics tutorial. So, ito guys rin yung ginagawa ko ngayon. Yung ethics tutorial ko. And then, nung pagtapos ko guys ng module 1, naligo guys ako, got ready. So, anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and continue lang itong ethics tutorial ko.